The TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine is transforming industries, including natural gas systems, nuclear power plants, chemical processing, food and beverage production, and sharp, clean pipeline technologies. Today, we'll discuss its role in the nuclear energy sector. Welding for nuclear pipelines requires the highest level of safety and precision. The TATE welding machine ensures that every weld is flawless and strong, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and pressures. Its automated orbital welding system guarantees consistency, meeting the strict requirements of the nuclear energy industry. Whether you're working on cooling lines, reactor systems, or other high-stress components, the TATE machine delivers leak-proof, corrosion-resistant welds. It supports a variety of materials, including high-temperature alloys, ensuring the reliability and longevity of your systems. In addition, the TATE machine increases efficiency, reducing downtime and enhancing the overall productivity of your operations. For critical projects where failure is not an option, the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine provides unparalleled performance. We are the original source manufacturer of this advanced welding solution, offering OEM and ODM services for customized needs. Subscribe to our channel or email us at info@oktate.com to learn more.